Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2018 Audi R8. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint tips on this front at all. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. This door looks perfect. I'm not seeing a scratch on here at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. The back bumper and spoiler, everything here is spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. Not seeing a scratch on here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. I'm not seeing a scratch on this door at all. Everything is in excellent condition and spotless. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, everything here looks perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on the seat. And the door panel looks good as well. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect as well. All of the buttons are in excellent condition. And also the leather and stitching looks fine as well. So the interior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.